This is our bed. Wow. What's up guys? Mami Andresen here and welcome back to my channel. First of all, if magtataka kayo bakit mahina ang boses ko, guys, nasa likod ko lang si baby natutulog, kakatulog niya pa lang. So kaya I'm here at the corner para makipag-usap sa inyo, okay? So this is also a little clips of our new room. So this is gonna be a room tour part 2 hotel edition. Okay, so we got superior room. My asawa book as superior room para daw maginhawa ang aming last days dito sa Manila at maging comfortable kami dito. Okay guys, so please, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and push the notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa lahat ng mga videos na i-upload ko at sa mga future videos na pagsasamahan natin. Okay guys, so without further ado, let's jump to the video. I hope you enjoy that. So this is our room guys. So our toilet, of course. Wow, this is much more bigger than, so this is our bed. Wow. Wow. My asawa book as superior beds. So Kaison will love it. Yay! Yay! Okay guys, I have a fear of heights, but oh my god, I can't look down. Oh my god, Kai, don't go there, please. Oh, this is our TV. Oh my gosh, this is nice. Cabinet. Wow. Okay. Of course, mirror is my fave. Wee. Oh, mama, mama. Oh, mama, mama. Let's see what we have here. Wow. Mini bar. Ayan, empty pa. Lalagyan namin yan dito. O ano, wow. Dito. Uy, ice bucket. Hindi naman kami iinom ah. Ooh, plates. Let's close. Wow. Wow naman. Coffee. Wow. Yay. So this is more cozy and much more nice. Ito yung view guys. Sa roof deck po siya.